Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about the sushi salad. Sushi salad. Okay? And it comes with little sauces. I should have asked what the sauces were. Give me a little taste. Okay. Oh, not too bad. It's yummy. Nice. Nice flavor. So this is the salad that I'm about to do my mukbang with, and the sauces is whatever it is. I don't know. It's a guessing game, jackpot. You guess it, your guess as good as mine sort of sauce. Anyways, I'm about to take it on, and I can hear this bird. Look at that owl. Look. Woo, woo. I swear, it's always got to be something. There you go. I want him to go and put, Oh, and my Kiwi New Zealand drink. Kiwi and melon. See, guys, I love this drink. It's a New Zealand product, and I love supporting New Zealand, right? And I thought I'll put it in this glass, so because it's a nice little lunch date by my lonesome. Okay, cheers, guys. It's lovely. Oh, ooh, those Kiwis know how to do it. So good. So good, guys. So good. Okay. So I put that sauce there. Oh, look at it. Prawn, salmon, this thingy-majiggy. I would call that like artificial crab meat or sashimi, whatever. But still edible, and it still tastes good. Okay, and I've got avocado, cucumber. Wait, let me use my chopstick. Ting ting. To show you one of my favorite seafood, prawn. Okay, guys, and this lovely avocado, bits of salmon. Right. And it's also got 7 eggs. Oh, like it pops in your mouth. Anyway, guys, I'm going to drizzle the sauce all over it. Slowly. Oh, and it's got some cherry tomatoes, I see. Quite nice, getting me umaya. Yes, a little bit healthy today, guys. Can't have all the fatty foods all the time, huh? See, that's why my fika, I could look after it. I'm going to put some sauce on this other one as well. See, you know what, guys? I better eat both, or try to. Because I seen some mukbangs on YouTube, and I think, guacamole, how can that little person eat all that food? How? Tell me, how? How? Oh, listen, I am alone in a crossroads. Yeah, go here. Then I'll start. Okay, people? Okay? Yep. Listen. That was the prawn. Oh, the sauce is nice. Salmon. Look at this. This is stringy crab meat. So, I better eat it. Oh, that sauce is so good. Okay, a treat. I don't really like the stem of the tree, but it's lettuce. Cherry tomato. This is actually nice. I'm quite happy I bought this, you know. Okay, I gotta ask, what are you guys having for lunch? In case you guys think I didn't do my prayer, I like to do my prayer off camera. Because I think it's my personal chat with God. Everyone's different. Their sauce is so nice. I'm gonna ask them what is it. And this drink is it's got nectar. Nectar. Not the way you spell it, but that's how they want to spell it. It's up to them. Guys, you guys see this salad at the sushi shop? Consider getting it for you because it's quite nice here. It's mine here, man. I remember my poor dad. Whenever my mum would have salad on the table for our dinner or whatever we're gonna eat, he'll say, "Oye ma o ngai vào." Poor dad. He was a real hard-working man. But he would always complain if there was a salad on the dinner table. On the table. This is so good. This is the first time I've gotten this salad here. And it's quite nice, tasty. You know, because the salads are all nice and crunchy, fresh. You know, the Asian people, they like to do their food fresh. Guys, it's a patty in my mouth. You guys want some mine? Okay, eat this. Tomato. I saw this thing on Facebook. I said, I love you from your head to tomato. I think not dry, nice. Oh, okay. Have me another tree. It's so good. These little salmon, this sauce. Okay, who wants some brass? This leaf here looks like a little baby rhubarb leaf, but I don't think so. Must be silver beet spinach, as some people call it, because rhubarb leaf is poisonous. It's funny that the rhubarb leaf will be poisonous, but the stem is not. Growing up in Wellington, we used to get rhubarb stems, and we'll get jelly. Like, we'll help ourselves to our parents' jellies, and we'll go outside and share the jelly and dip the rhubarb in it. Oh man, it's got tons and tons of lettuce and the sauce is really nice. We'll ask them. Hello, salmon, avocado. Anyone in here? No, just grass. Muy. Yep, $2. Yep. I'm afraid I'll box out. You step down. Your turn. Oh. This is so lovely. Lovely. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this mukbang. I'm so glad I did. I'm glad I listened to my inner self. My inner. It's so good. Now, I often buy this for two reasons. Because it tastes really nice, right? Kiwi fruit and rock melon. Plus, it's Kiwi brand. I want to find a Kiwi bakery and get all their pies and try it out. And my mukbang. Oh man, this is so lovely. My dad was alive to see these leaves. I miss my dad. I miss my dad all the time. Every time I hear Elvis song, I think of my dad. Because he loved Elvis. You know when Elvis comes on and you know your parent or your dad would listen to Elvis say growing up, you check their feet out. It's tapping when the song is on. And it's so cute. Growing up in the 70s with our parents was such lovely memories. Our mother, she would be the one that will give the whipping. And our dad, he would always tell us just to stop. He would mostly just deal with the boys. But the girls, he doesn't like to harm us. Not that he likes to harm my brothers too. No. But he did expect his boys to be onto it. You know, when he shows them a direction, they have to listen. And guess what, guys? My brothers, they are so, you know, like, very good with a lot of things that they do. And they would mention that they learn it off our old man. And you know what? That's a tribute to our father. And I'm sure most of you that's watching can understand what I mean. You know? Get in there. People are watching me. You're trying to embarrass me, eh? Anyway, that leaf, oh, you want a fussy, that leaf. What a fussy. I woke up this morning, made my mum's breakfast, then I dropped off my grandson. And I thought, do my mukbang. My older brother, he stays in Opotiki, New Zealand. We were heading down to 2 years ago, I think we were in New Zealand for Christmas. It was very lovely. And we went into the petrol station and we needed a map so we could find our way there. Okay? So I get chased into the petrol station and I go to the girl, to the lady, the Balangi lady. I go, no, excuse me, I want a map. I want a map, street direction so I can get to Opotiki. And she goes, Opotiki, I haven't heard of that. And I'm thinking, lady, I'm sure it's nearby here. How can you not have heard of it? Okay. So she goes, hang on, I'll go and get someone that can help you. And then the guy comes. And he goes, how can I help you? And I go, oh, I was asking that lady if she could give me a, you know, a street directory map thing so I can find my way down to Opotiki. And he goes, oh, well, I don't know if we have anything. To tell you the truth, I don't even know where, that is. Is it south or north or whatever going on? And I'm going, usually when you go in a petrol station, you can help. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I said to my husband, no, let's go and pay for our petrol and pay for our drink, and we'll stop at another petrol station. All I know is you had to go down, down, like you're heading to maybe Rotorua direction. Yeah, okay. Right. So I go up to pay for my our petrol and stuff. Okay. Then there was this Māori girl serving. And I go, I come into the petrol station. Normally petrol station people can help. But I asked two people in here and they don't even know where Opotiki is. And she goes, Opotiki? Do you mean Opotiki? And I went, oh, is it Opotiki? And she goes, yeah, because I'm from Opotiki. And I think, the spelling says Opotiki. I was thinking that anyway. And I go, so it's the way I pronounced it that was wrong. I said Opotiki, but it's Opotiki. Okay then. Do you have a she goes, yeah, we got a a little map thing for Opotiki. And then she goes straight to it. And guess what, guys? That little map thing, I was standing there for nearly 5 minutes right beside my hip. But my eyes was not looking at that direction because the word clearly had all the words on it and Opotiki. Yang ala yep. Talk about Opotiki, I don't know Opotiki. Look, I got no more salmon, no more prawns, no more but heaps of grass. Woo! Guys, yeah, you can run but you can't hide. And you see, cucumber. Wait. Anyway, so the moral of my story, know how to pronounce a word. Because before you go marching in there like, I want to know where Opotiki is. But it wasn't even Opotiki. Tapu. I remember my brother told me it's a funny story, right? But I'll tell you guys another story because look, I've only got grass. Oh, sorry, lettuce farmers. Don't want to put your fellas food down, no way. Hell. Well, like I said, know how to pronounce something, and then you go and ask. Man, I ate the sausage. I don't know what it was. I wonder if they would tell me. Because some people, they don't like to tell you their secret recipe. Their secret recipe is soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, hummus, from Chinese to Lebanese. Okay, go away. Cheers, guys. I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to turn this around because I didn't finish it. There's too many lettuce. Oh, guama here. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And I thank you everyone for the support. And I only ask, show some love. Hello, Harriet. I just want to say hello, Harriet, because, girl, you do a lot of, entertaining out there for for YouTubers, polytubes. And it's not nice when someone says something unkind to you. It's not necessary, guys. Just show support. No, you know, words that it's not nice to read. Because, guys, like I said before, we're trying to do some entertainment for us poly people and anyone else that wants to watch. I saw some Americans subscribing to my channel. I was very, very, you know, like flattered. So I went and subscribed to them. It's only fair. And guys, I really enjoy listening to what they got to say, and some of the food that they make. Whoa. Woo, woo, lovely. Anyway, you guys take care, okay? Don't forget, always give thanks. Give thanks, because no doubt in my mind that if you give thanks and you ask one day to loving God for that special favor, He will hear you and He will help you. Trust. So you take care, okay? And I will come and turn off my camera and say to you, Tō whāsoi fua, I love you. Bye.